Hey guys, Alan here. In this video, we're going to be going over how to increase conversions on a sales page. But once you learn the art of congruency, you're not only going to get more sales on your sales funnel, you're going to get just more sales in your business, because once you're congruent with your messaging, your offering, and who you are as a person, you're naturally going to get more sales because people are going to trust you more. There's more authority, and so on. Now, I've done this video maybe 3 or 4 times. It goes for way too long. I want to try keep this video to under 10 minutes. So I'll try and be quick. But if you want me to break this down even further, please let me know in the comments and I'll do a longer video. This video, I could easily take 1 hour to go through this properly. But like I said, if you want me to go over this, structure by structure, let me know in the comments and I'll do it for you. So let's quickly go over this. So I was advertised this the other day. It says September 4th, but I saw it, I think about maybe 3-4 days ago. Now, everyone says, if you want to make more sales, you just got to lower your price. You just got to lower your price. No one's going to buy my $5,000 offer. May as well sell something for $1. Yeah. Now, I buy everything. I buy $47 offers. I buy $1,000 offers. I buy $5,000. Like, I didn't buy this. And that's why I'm doing this video. Because once you learn the art of congruency, you'll go, that all makes sense. And if you start implementing what I'm saying, you will make more money because you'll become a better marketer. Okay, so click on this link, which takes you to this sales page here. Now, premium membership. So this costs you $1. Total value, almost $30,000. Now you tell me, what is your brain telling you right now? So it's only costing you $1. It's premium membership, not basic, not medium, not good membership. It's premium membership. It's only costing you $1, and you're getting 30,000. So already, I'm assuming that you're thinking this is probably BS. They're probably a scam. Nothing valuable like this people are giving away for $1. Yeah, so there's got to be something else. Maybe it isn't that great. Maybe they're lying. Maybe whatever. But you might buy it for $1 if what you're seeing was actually premium. Notice the word premium membership. Yeah, does this sales page look premium? So already so you got this logo here. You got this, the number doesn't even add up, on the same line. So already, this doesn't look premium. The bright green doesn't look premium. You got all these different colors. You got green, red, white, yellow, gold, blue. Nothing about this is premium. Yellow, orange. Nothing about this is premium. So already, I'm very skeptical. I'm not just skeptical. I know that this isn't premium. But let's keep going. Test all our products, the white label, blah, 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 toolkits, blah, 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 for only $1. After your 3-day trial ends, access, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so even if it's for $1, yeah, most of you guys think if I give something away for free, I'm going to get all these leads. If I give something away for $7, I'm going to make millions of dollars because everyone's going to... No, it doesn't work like that. Even for $1, I didn't buy, and I buy everything. So why didn't I buy? Again, the art of congruency. So this does not look premium to me. So if you're wanting to show people that what you have is premium, I need to see something that looks premium. I want to see something that looks really good and not basic, because it's not about the money, it's about the time. It's about me spending $1, going through this training, and then spending 1 or 2 hours going through this training just to realize that it's shit. Yeah, I'm wasting my time. I don't want to waste my time. So I want to know what I'm buying, even if it's for $1, is actually worth my time. Yep. Okay, here's what our customers say. Okay, I'm not even going to read that. Okay, now 2 young people. So again, this is about, so you're getting all these different things here. SOPs, templates, tools, toolkits. Basically, this is to help your business. So what I want to see is to older people, I'd say maybe between the age of 25 to 40. I want to see a lot of older people because that's, like no one who's 18, 19, 20 are, building businesses, like they are, but the majority of people are between the age of 25 to 40 who are really building businesses. So that's what I want to see. Again, the art of congruency here. These kind of look fake. Again, they might not be. Now, again, this isn't in line. Back with our unconditional 7-day money back guarantee. Again, that doesn't make any sense because it says 7-day money back guarantee, but then here it says try it for 3 days. Where are we? It said something like try it for 3 days. So again, doesn't really make any sense. So I'm confused. I'm also thinking, is this a scam? If I buy it for $1, are they going to charge me $50? I don't know. Now look at these photos here. Does this look premium to you? Even if it was for $1, even if it's for free, if this page said only for $1,000, yeah, would you buy this? No, you wouldn't, because it doesn't look premium. Yeah. So the art of congruency. Yeah. If you're saying the word premium, you have to showcase that it's premium. Now, even if it's for $1, that's very, very cheap. You got nothing to lose. Look at this. So if these are the images that people are using, it just looks too basic. So I'm thinking, even for $1, what I'm going to get is this really basic rubbish. Therefore, I'm not going to buy it. Let's just quickly scroll down. Okay, it's only $1. Now look how bad this looks. Like nothing about this is premium. I'm sorry to whoever built this, but this just looks like a scammy website. Now the art of congruency. Let's go over. Now usually what happens is people think that conversions happen on the sales page, and I'd say 80% of the time they do. But if you want to increase your conversions even more, the conversion happens outside of this, and we'll go deep into that. So let's go to this. So we're going to click on this profile. Okay, so if you wanted to buy this for $1 and you're sitting on the fence, you might have a quick look at this. Are you going to buy if you see this? No, you're not. Because again, you're confused. You're going to be thinking, what WTF? What's this got to do with that? I don't even know what this is. Like, that's weird. Angry comments. Let's scroll down. Okay, good video. Again, angry comment. You click on comments. You go all comments. Everything's hidden. So that's telling me something. Let's scroll down. So 22 comments. This looks good. We use the 2-3x conversion rates. I do not agree with that, because when you zoom in, those are horrible designs. I'm telling you, they are not 2-3xing your conversions. But let's go to comments. Let's click on comments. Let's go all comments. So they've banned 22 comments. So there's a lot of angry people. So again, the art of congruency. If something's premium, yeah, premium membership, you want to showcase why it's premium. Yeah, I want to see stuff. So this is one of my sales funnel that I'm also giving away to people who join my scaling system. This is what it takes to be premium. So look at the difference here. Now, obviously, this is an offer for $1. So this is different to a coaching program, but my service is premium. They're also showcasing that theirs is premium, but can you see how mine's congruent and theirs isn't congruent? Even if it's for $1, they're still saying that it's premium. Does that make sense? So the art of congruency is that you need to be congruent with what you write, the images that you use. So the images that I'm using, I'm showcasing people what they're actually buying, yeah? And I'm showcasing that if you were to go through me, you would be getting a really premium service rather than something that looks like it was built in the 1990s, yeah? Or just like look at that compared to what I've done here. Even the background here, so 7-figure builder, you can see that in the background. You can see the image of a landing page, the gold, everything about this. That's what most people do here. That's what I've done for mine. So you can see the before and after, the competitors, what I've done, rather what they're doing. And also being congruent. So you're saying that, it's premium, yet when you go to Google, there's a lot of 1-star reviews. They are scamming massively. They charge $2 for SOP. I just want to say stay away. They are scammer. So basically everyone's complaining that they paid for $1, but now they're being charged, a lot more than $1. So again, the art of congruency is being able to be congruent with your copy, the images that you're using. Now, if this sales page, if they didn't say the word premium, they'd probably convert more, but because they're saying the word premium membership, the sales design, the structure, and what they're saying isn't congruent to the word premium. Therefore, people are going to get confused. Is it premium? Is it a cheap offer? Am I being scammed? Therefore, maybe 50% of people are going to Google this company. They're going to go, read the reviews. They're going to see the scam. So most likely they're not going to buy even for $1. So I hope that was helpful. If you want me to break this down even further, let me know in the comments. I'm also giving away some special framework that I not show my clients, but I do for my clients. In the last 3 years, we've made $23 million in extra revenue for my clients, the businesses that I've helped. And it's all based on the art of congruency, optimization, scaling strategies. So if you guys want that, drop a comment. It could be anything. It could be a fire emoji. It could be yes. It could be a funny GIF. Just drop something in the comments and I will shoot you through the framework in Messenger. And yeah, we'll go from there. I'll see you tomorrow. Hope that was helpful.